Have you ever gotten a sunburn on your tongue? It sounds completely ridiculous, but imagine standing under the scorching African sun for 12 hours a day with your mouth wide open, reaching for food. For the tallest animal on earth, a sunburned tongue is a recipe for absolute disaster. Every single day, they face a brutal environmental challenge that would leave human skin blistered and peeling within minutes. Yet they manage it completely unharmed without ever needing a bottle of lotion. So, how do they survive? Simple. They evolved their very own built in 100% natural sunscreen. To understand why this unique evolutionary trait is a literal lifesaver, we have to look at a giraffe's daily routine. Giraffes are total foodies. They spend up to 12 hours every single day doing nothing but eating. Their absolute favorite snack is the nutrient rich leaves of the acacia tree. Because giraffes are so incredibly tall, they feed at the very top of the tree canopy where there is absolutely zero shade. The blazing sun beats down on them continuously. Every single time they reach out to grab a delicious branch, their tongue is fully extended and completely exposed to harsh ultraviolet radiation. If their tongues were pink like ours, the intense UV rays would quickly cause severe burns. A giraffe that can't comfortably use its tongue cannot forage efficiently, and in the wild, an inability to eat means certain death. To solve this problem, nature came up with a brilliant and highly effective solution. If you look closely at a giraffe's tongue, you will notice it isn't pink at all. Instead, it is a deep, dark, striking blend of purple, blue, and almost solid black. Its distinct dark coloration comes from a massive concentration of a pigment called melanin. Melanin is the exact same natural pigment that gives human skin, eyes, and hair their color. It functions as nature's ultimate shield against solar damage. The intense abundance of melanin at the front of the giraffe's tongue works by absorbing the dangerous ultraviolet rays, neutralizing them before they can penetrate deeper tissues, mutate cells, or cause painful burns. It is essentially a permanent waterproof coating of high grade SPF right on their muscle, perfectly adapted for a life spent under the equator. Interestingly, if you could see all the way to the back of a giraffe's throat, the base of the tongue actually turns a normal shade of pink. Why? Because the sun never shines back there, meaning the body doesn't waste precious resources producing melanin where it isn't needed. Beyond being completely sunproof, this extraordinary tongue is also a biological Swiss Army knife. It can grow up to an astonishing 20 inches long, which is long enough for a giraffe to actually reach around and clean out its own ears. It is also prehensile, meaning it can wrap around objects and grip them securely like a human hand. This allows them to carefully manipulate branches and pull off leaves while dodging nasty 2-inch long acacia thorns. To top it all off, the tongue is coated in a thick antiseptic saliva that protects the digestive tract from any stray thorns. they might accidentally swallow. So the next time you are sitting at the beach, struggling to reapply sticky sunscreen to that one unreachable spot on your back, just think of the majestic giraffe. Evolution gave them the perfect hassle free sunblock, expertly formulated and built right into their mouths.